For many, varicose veins are a problem that are not only unattractive, but very painful. Luckily though, there's a place here in town that can help make you feel a lot better. Take a look.
Whether you're walking on a beach or biking around the neighborhood, if you're experiencing unusual pain and you have varicose veins, it may be time to get it taken care of.
My three partners and I that work in the Vein Center are all board certified vascular surgeons. We have over 100 years of combined experience practicing vascular surgery in Nashville.
The Vein Center not only is your premier choice for vascular treatment, Dr. Kaiser and the rest of the staff have a great relationship with primary care physicians.
What's probably most helpful to the primary care physician is when we reach a conclusion after the patient's first visit based on ultrasound. We'll send them a copy of the ultrasound report as well and try to involve them in sort of the big long-term treatment approach that goes far beyond just a procedure or 6 weeks after a procedure or anything like that.
And that excellent level of communication is just what you can expect from the Vein Center. But what are the most common symptoms you should be on the lookout for?
A lot of people present with classic big bulging veins like the ropes in the lower legs, but a surprising number of people with leg swelling, aching late in the day that may trail into the night, a heavy sensation.
Primary care doctors will see these symptoms and do their best to treat the problem. After all, it's them that know your health more than anyone. But sometimes you need an expert like Dr. Kaiser.
We see a lot of patients from our primary care associates who are unsure whether that's a part of the picture or not. A good ultrasound to look at valve function and how the deep veins relate to the superficial veins is very important to really deciding what's best for that particular patient.
If you're experiencing problems due to veins, it's a good idea to talk to your primary care physician because there's a good chance that those issues aren't going anywhere.
Varicose veins and problems related to that cause sort of not acute symptoms, but they're just there every day. And so people are able to be fully active and carry on. But after their procedure, we've repeatedly heard that they haven't felt this good at the end of a long day standing for 20 years.
And a treatment at the Vein Center, it's a whole lot easier than you may think.
Many of our patients who show up with varicose veins have had parents or family members who had the old vein stripping years ago. And in the old days, that involved up to 2 weeks in the hospital.
But now that the treatment's so much easier, men and women all across Middle Tennessee are feeling better thanks to the Vein Center.
The word spreads that it's not a bad procedure. It doesn't involve time off from work. So that's been very good for us to see that, that's out there and there's something can be done.
The Vein Center has 2 locations, one in Belle Meade and the other in Cool Springs. The number to call is 615-269-9007, or you can log on to veinreliever.com.